Hello there. Another cold day awaits. It was certainly bitter this morning for more areas. And the cold theme, well, that stays with us for much of the week. At times it'll feel colder still, particularly when that wind picks up. The biggest risk of snow at the moment looks set to be through Monday night, but there'll be widespread frost. Hopefully, though, we'll see more sunshine for the coming week. We've certainly seen more sunshine so far today across East Anglia and the South East compared with yesterday, and it's coming through behind our weather front in the north across the west of Scotland and into Northern Ireland. By the end of the day as well, it'll come through more readily across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Ahead of it, we'll see some sunshine, but we've got showers for the western side of England and Wales, and then we've got this weakening weather front giving us rain at lower levels and some hill snow. So it's still cold air out and about. Don't be surprised to see a little bit of winteriness if you run into that weather front today when you're out and about. This evening and overnight, we keep clearish skies in the south and east. So again, it's going to be cold here, and it will turn cold pretty quickly across Scotland and Northern Ireland, Northern England. Behind our weather front, temperatures will get down to several degrees below freezing, even in the towns and cities. But notice we've already got more cloud piling in ahead of our next weather front, and I think that high cloud at least will obscure the view potentially of the lunar eclipse across northern areas. Now, this is quite a main player in the weather story this week, this weather system. It's still giving us a bit of a headache, how much snow it will give and to how low levels. So it starts off fairly quiet but very cold on Monday morning, a little bit of mist and freezing fog as we've had through this morning. But this looks much more active as the winds strengthen, bringing that rain into Northern Ireland and Scotland during the afternoon. It turns readily to snow over the hills, but again, for the large majority, it's still mostly dry, just chilly, particularly as that wind's picking up as well. But then through the evening and overnight, you can see there's a real risk of some snow quite far south. Even the hills further south could see a smattering for a time, some winteriness mixed in with it, even in southern and eastern areas before it clears. It's just more likely to settle on the hills further north, with several centimetres coming here, and then the showers that follow, because it's equally cold air behind our weather front. Temperatures on Tuesday, even in the sunshine, just 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, generally speaking, with lots of sleet and snow showers following. It stays cold. There remains a risk of further coverings of light snow. And although looking a little drier Wednesday, Thursday, it's still pretty cold. As ever, there's more on the website.